Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another week, and we're back at Aldi. It's Labor Day, and there's no school, which means I have a kiddo with me. She wanted to come, and who can say no to that cute face? Last week, we had some really hot days where we ended up doing just fend for yourself 2 nights in a row, which means I didn't cook. Then we went out of town this weekend, and we didn't plan for that, which means another meal I didn't cook. Bottom line, I have a lot of groceries from last week that I'm transferring into this week. Maybe not the same meals, but using the ingredients up. So we're going to get into the store, get the goods, and don't forget at the end, I'll share with you my meal plan. Let's go. Kel could tell a difference and likes this better than the Meijer stuff. So we will eat the other stuff as a family, but this is for Kel's lunch, $2.19. Since it's Labor Day, my husband's home, and he is actually going to make Nashville Hot Chicken sandwiches, and he wants brioche buns for that. $3.19 for these. We're big fans of them. Personally, I like the sesame seed ones better, but he wanted the non-sesame seed, and it works out because they're cheaper. $1.39, getting more white bread. Okay, I'm gonna get green grapes. They're only $1.29 a pound. They feel pretty nice and firm, so gonna find a pretty good bag here and we'll grab those. Bananas are 49 cents a pound. I'm making banana pancakes, and then Elsie wants to take bananas in her lunch. So I'm gonna get about 10 bananas. Look at all these guys. Mila wants more apples. Honeycrisp are her favorite. $2.69 for 2 pounds is a pretty good deal. So I'm actually gonna get 2 bags of these. With the chicken sandwiches, we are having French fries that we have in the freezer and sweet corn, but then I just saw this and my kids like it, so I'm gonna get that to go with it. $2.95. I'm gonna get a dozen eggs. I cannot believe they're back up to $3.77, but for one meal we're having pancakes, and of course I'll make eggs with that. So I just wanna make sure we have enough. This weekend I ran here and I did a quick Aldi haul to go to a Labor Day event, and I bought the Sweet Heat. All I see are Smoky left, but we really liked, okay, here they are. The Sweet Heat were really good. I haven't tried the Smoky, but we took pickles and olives. Big hit, yummy. My husband asked for a pot roast, and I have some celery, but my son wants it for his lunch too, so I'm gonna get more, $1.79. They don't have any dill slices, which I would totally get the Sweet Heat for the chicken sandwiches too, but my husband doesn't like sweet pickles, so I'll get dill at Meijer. Okay, these are the cutest things I've ever seen. All my kids have feet that are way too big for this, although, I don't know, my son might be able to wear these, but they're all kind of girly in his size. Oh my gosh, he would love these probably. We'll ask Elsie her opinion. Elsie, should we get Calvies for his birthday?
Yes.
Do you think they're too, I think he'll like them. Okay. I think my son will be able to wear these. We'll return them if not, but I think he'll like these, and they had them in the Blue Dragon. Okay, so these are marked down to $2.95. I really like it, but you have to remove the bottom to put it in the dishwasher. That's the only annoying thing. But Elsie is begging me for a tumbler. She has one from here before. She just likes this lid better because why? Why do you like the lid?
It's harder to spill.
Oh, okay. So the other one maybe spilled a little easier? I guess so.
Thank you.
Does it matter to you it's not a Stanley? I think these are kind of cool. Game breaker jugs. I love the 90s vibe this one gives off. They have red and black, they have black and gray, and then this color. They're $12.99. My Elsie's smelling all of the wax melts and the candles. The one I got last week smells so good. I really have enjoyed burning it, and so far my house still stands, so yay. Okay, I am so far removed from all this stuff, but I have to show you all the baby items that they have. So they have a drying rack, really nice, aesthetically pleasing stuff. The black and white books are so cute. They say that children, you know, developmentally, the first things they can focus on is like black and white. So these are so cute. They're only $2.99. All these little finger books, my kids loved these. they're so cute. They have a T-Rex, kitten, owl, a little lamb. I love all of them. Little binkies, markers, hello world. You can see on the back here what they say. Those are only $4.99. A little bath spout guard or faucet extenders to help wash hands. I love all this stuff. My baby's about to turn 8, so I'm so far removed, but adorable. I am totally not trying to be like a glutton, but I'm buying this for the future. $2.19. This is so delicious. I'm not kidding when I say I can eat a bag in minutes, but it was so good. Reluctantly, I shared a bit with my daughter, but $2.19. I'm just gonna get a couple more and put them in the back of my pantry. Okay, I emptied my avocado oil. I need more. $5.49. I need beef stock for the pot roast. $1.45. My husband asked me to get 2 vegetable oils for making the chicken. I think one will be enough, but he just doesn't want to run out. He's gonna fry it, of course. $3.75 a piece. Okay, I'm looking for 2 pounds of chicken breast. And of course, nothing is marked down, no red sticker. I think one fine chicken, these are thin slice, 2.8 pounds, $2.99 a pound. I think we'll go with this, $6.52. Or actually, we'll go with this one, $6.34. Looks a little less fatty, I guess. Okay, I'm not seeing a chuck roast here. I don't even know if they sell it here, so I'll probably end up having to get that from Meijer. That's okay. Okie dokie. So for the chicken sandwiches, Matt wants provolone, $1.65. Okay, so we're looking for new things. I haven't seen the stuffed brie with apple chicken breasts. Those are priced on the other side. I'm not sure. Mac and cheese bites, corn ribs. This has all been here. Lots of similar things. Not really seeing much new. There's this smoked meat pizza, $5.99. Lots of the Asian vegetables, hash brown mini patties. Ooh, hash brown patties were actually on my list. So I'm gonna get these, $2.99 to go with our banana pancakes. That'll be fun. Okay, they still have all the smoothie stuff, the breakfast burritos, cloud bread. I've never bought that. Oh, look, someone opened it. You can get a little sneak peek. That's $5.49. They still have all the gelato flights. No one's buying them here, probably because I said I didn't like them before. They have acai bowls. Oh, they have their apple cinnamon or pumpkin spice ice creams, $2.29. We've had them in the past. Okay, Elsie found something she wants. What do you want? The chocolate rose ice cream cones. They're $3.99. We have had them in the past, and you like them?
Yes.
Okay, girl. Okay, I never buy coleslaw because I'm the only one in my family that eats it, but I can't find it, so I think it's just past the season for it, but I'll get that at Meijer. I want to put it on my Nashville Hot sandwich tomorrow. But this looks pretty good. Another chicken salad variation, bacon ranch or chipotle, $5.79. Both look yummy. Okay, so they still have all of these fall flavored things. I just want a reason to gift these to someone. I just can't think of who to buy them for. But I haven't opened that yet, but I'm excited to. Oh, my husband loves these. Oh, these are different flavors. So they have caramel apple chips and the pink lady. He really likes the cinnamon ones when they come out, but I don't think he'd like those flavors. Oh, look what's back, guys. This oatmeal cookie protein powder, I actually really like it. I'm not like a protein powder fanatic, but this is a really good one. I think it's really good. If you like protein powders, I would definitely try it. I bought 3 of them last time and I still have some, so I'm not buying more, but I definitely liked it and would recommend it. Oh, look, they have some totes. So I actually still have 2 of my Aldi totes. I love these utility guys. These are like fall themed ones. I'm not getting any, but they're here. This is something new, freeze pops. A couple different flavors there, $3.49. I'm not getting them. Brioche ring, keto bread, pretzel buns. Oh, there they are, my favorite. Yum. It's it's hard to not buy a box. It was pretty good, wasn't it? Okay, as I mentioned, I have a lot on hand from last week. We're still going to Meijer. Any guess on my total though? Okay, our total was $78.99. Now we'll go to Meijer. Okay, now we are at Meijer. Gonna clear out our list. There are a few things we wanted to get here, but other things that we couldn't get at Aldi. Okay, first buy at Meijer, 5 for $2 sweet corn. I'm actually gonna end up getting 7. We're having someone come over for dinner too, so I need more than just 5. Okay, I love to put coleslaw on spicy sandwiches, $3.45. Good news, guys. They didn't have chuck roast at Aldi, but they have it here. And I'm gonna get the smallest one because what we like more than the beef is the potatoes, carrots, celery, all the good things in it. So this is $5.99. My son's personal favorite food is Takis. So I'm gonna get these, $4.99. Everyone will share them. I don't buy them all the time, but he loves them. Okay, so my husband needs buttermilk to make his chicken. So the thing is, I normally make my own buttermilk, but he doesn't like to make buttermilk using lemon juice and milk. So I'm gonna get it for him, $1.39. Tell me in the comments, do you make your own buttermilk or do you buy it? Okay, so Matt asked for smoked paprika. They don't got it. They don't got it. Let's see, are we gonna run out of smoked paprika? We have paprika at home, but he wants smoked. Well, of course it's the more expensive one, but they have a smoked paprika here, so we'll get this for him for $6.69. Also, he wanted Creole seasoning. This will go far. It's $2.99 for the Zatarain's Creole seasoning. Okay, so I didn't have plans of getting cereal, but these are buy one, get one half off, and my husband loves Count Chocula. And we're also gonna get a Reese's Puff Spats. So one of each, $4.99, and then half off the second one. Okay, we found dill pickle slices, $2.65. Thank you, Meijer. Okay, so Kel has the lemonade juice boxes from last week, but Elsie wanted apple juice, so are these better than lemonade?
Yes.
Nothing can be easy as a mom. They all want different things. Okay, I need to get toothpaste. I always buy the value kind. $5.19, you get 3 tubes. Or what I really like to do, but it's more convenient to shop here right now, Dollar Tree. I stock up on toothpaste there. Okay, Elsie also needs chapsticks. Oh, she's getting vanilla bean. It's $5.19 for a 2-count. Okay, so here's my random cart. Little few additions we didn't plan on, but any guess on the total? Okay, we are done at Meijer. The total was $51.92. Now let's go home and see our meal plan for the week. Tonight, my husband's making Nashville Hot Chicken. We're gonna have sweet corn with that, the mac and cheese. We have some frozen French fries, and we actually have family probably coming over to join us for that. Tuesday, we are going to Culver's, and the funny thing is we're getting 5 kids meals for free. We've been saving for years. They have Scoopy coupons, and when you get 10 of them, you get a free kids meal. We have, I think, like 52, so we can get 5 free kids meals. We've been waiting for a while to do that. We'll do that after school on Tuesday. Wednesday, I'm making a pot roast. We're gonna have celery, carrots, potatoes, beef, all in the crock pot, and then I'm also gonna make mashed potatoes on the sides, and then I have frozen rolls that I'll be making. Thursday, we're having banana pancakes. My daughter requested this. They sounded really good to her. We're gonna have the hash brown patties, and then I'm also gonna make bacon and eggs. Friday, we're gonna have leftovers of these Nashville Hot, pot roast, banana pancakes. Saturday, we're gonna get pizza. It is the weekend before my son's birthday. He's having friends over, and we're gonna get pizza. That's his request for a quasi birthday party. And then Sunday, we have taquitos. These are from Trader Joe's. We're gonna use the cheese sauce that I bought last week. We never even opened the guacamole from last week. We'll have that, probably make rice and beans with it. I'm not really sure, but it'll be a pretty easy meal plan. So this is our meal plan for the week. If you wanna see how I make mashed potatoes that I'm gonna have with the pot roast, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.